Okay, dear student, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Rahul, Manisha, Nirmala, Nurman, Sandesh, Sujal. Good afternoon. It's class 7. Now I'm going to teach health subject. Today is Wednesday. Uh, so it's my turn. Now today we are going to study health subject, and students are joining us. Uh, more than six students are joining from class 7. Uh, very uh, good to see you on the screen, and I want to welcome you uh, to this online class. Now I'm going to share the screen. I'm teaching you from uh, this Luma website, Luma website, and I'm using Luma website. You also can use it uh, from your device. See here, uh, the site is opened. Now it is written here class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 11. Now I click here number 7, class 7, and the subject, I choose the subject, health subject. Yes, it is now opening. Now last time we studied human body, and then nutrition also. We were talking about nutrition last time. If you can read uh, English, you can go from this side. And if you are interested to read in Nepali, you can go from this side, right? English medium and Nepali medium. And this is the website, Luma website. And there are other websites also we can use for our educational purpose. Okay. So uh, now uh, I am going to teach you today the topic personal health. I am going to open the topic personal health. Now, you know what is personal health? All of you, anyone voluntarily, you answer what is personal health. Dear student, Jenisa, can you define, can you tell something about personal health? Yes. What do you mean by personal health?
Personal health is the of wellness of health, management
Okay. Now, other students, please voluntarily, you can ask, you can reply, or you can um, say what personal health is. Uh, Otherwise, I will nominate you. Uh, who will answer? Okay. Nirmala, can you say something about personal health?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you mean by personal health?
Personal health is the set of wellness evolution drugs, the meditation of individual, calendar and personal behavior.
Okay, very nice definition. Okay, you first of all have to know that personal. What is personal? Personal means individual. You, me, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, all these members are personal, right? And then if we are conscious about our health, if we maintain our health, then this is personal health. If you are conscious about your personal health and you are you are conscious about your physical, mental, social well-being and health, and this is commonly called personal health. And if from morning to bed, from when you get up and then you drink a glass of water, and then you go to the bathroom, and then you do your daily walk, and then you go to the you can say morning walk or exercise, or your housework, and then you go to school, or in the evening you play. This is in this way you try to keep you healthy, and you are aware about your health, and you keep your surrounding uh, clean. You drink clean water, you take bath daily, and you brush your teeth, you also take care of your eyes, you also take care of your you know you can say teeth, eyes, or whole body and internal body. And then uh, in a nutshell, we can say that if a person is conscious about his personal health, individual health, and try to be healthy and make the surrounding also healthy, is called personal health. Have you understood me or not? Now, I want to read the lesson 2, personal health. Now, how these lines are written, how these lines are read, and I read the lines and you listen very carefully. Okay, dear student, uh, I highlighted these lines. Then these lines are read by the system itself. Okay, now I want to play the system, and then it reads. How it reads, you listen very carefully and try to know the good pronunciation as well. Okay, listen carefully. Let me underline it.
Personal health can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being through one's own active efforts and activities for healthy life. In order to maintain good personal health, we should develop healthy habits. Therefore, personal cleanliness is required for good health. Regular cleanliness of our external and internal organs leads us to be healthy. Washing hands with soap, taking a bath regularly, proper care of nose, ears, eyes, and skin, brushing teeth, regular excretion of stool and urine, avoiding the consumption of tobacco, alcohol, drugs, and other harmful substances etc. come under personal health.
Very good. Did you listen to the audio? Did you listen or not?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Now I also read the lines uh, from my side as well. Personal health can be defined as a state of complete uh, physical, mental, and social well-being through one active effort and activities. Uh, for healthy life. See here, what is personal, health? If we are uh, very active for our healthy life, then it is personal health. Now, it is clearly defined from your book as well. In order to maintain good personal health, we should develop healthy habits. What should we do? We should develop healthy habits. We should not do bad things, right? Therefore, personal cleanliness is required. You know, cleanliness. You have to clean your um, body. You have to be clean, and for it is required for good health. Regular cleanliness of our external and internal organs leads us to the leads us to be healthy. If we clean our external organs, internal organs, you know ultimately it leads us to be healthy, good healthy. And we clean external organs, with the help of water. But how can we, wash? How can we clean our internal organs? That if you eat good things, if you drink water, regularly, properly, you know, you can say certain amount of water that are required for your body, and your water, your food, your habit will automatically clean your internal organs. External organs you can wash with the water. Internal organs through food, water as well. If you drink water regularly, then washing hands. Do you wash hands? Yes. When do you wash your hands? Before the meal, and when you come come in, or when you come to home from outside and you have to clean. When you come from work, you also have to clean your hands. Taking bath. How often do you take bath? Daily, or once a week, or 2 times a week, 3 times a week? How often do you take bath? If you ask me, I take bath daily, day by day in the morning. When I complete my exercise, and I take 15 to 20 minutes rest, and then I take bath. I take bath regularly, and proper care of nose. Your nose also should be clean. If your nose is dirty, then you also be unhealthy. And ears, your ears, eyes, and skin, and brushing teeth. You have to brush your teeth regularly. How often do you brush your teeth? Twice a day or once a day? How often do you brush your teeth? When do you brush your teeth? When do you brush your teeth? Generally, it is recommended that you have to brush your teeth after your food. After 15 minutes of your food, you have to, brush your teeth in the morning and in the evening. Why should we brush our teeth 2 times? When we eat, you know, there will be something in our teeth. And when the food is in the teeth, then it goes on decomposing, and finally it will affect our teeth, and then our teeth will be weak. So to make our teeth stronger, brighter, then we have to brush our teeth, 2 times in a day, especially after food. And now regular excretion of stool and urine. You should go, uh, you should, have the good excretion of stool and urine. If you do not go to, toilet for, for a long time, then it will be harmful to your health. And your urine also should be clear. So if to make your urine clear, then you have to drink water time to time. And, you know, you have to clear your stomach in the morning, right? So there should be regular excretion of stool and urine. Avoiding the consumption of tobacco. Yes, you should not consume, you should not take tobacco like, bhola, or you can say other, tobaccos found in the market, uh, or you can say cigarette or whatever. Alcohol in your locality, most of the people, drink alcohol, right? And then um, if people, drink alcohol regularly, it will damage their health. So drinking alcohol is very injurious to health. It damages our liver, our kidneys, our, hearts as well. And drugs also should not be taken. It is very harmful to our health. And other harmful substances like junk food. Today's big problem is junk food. Most of the people like, junk food, like, noodles, biscuits, and then canned juice. And there are lots of other, you know, things we can find in the market. Chips, tomato, or you can say potato chips with the tomato flavor, chili flavor, and whatever. And these are very tasty and spicy, and we like it. And ultimately, it damages our health. So we should not take this kind of junk food. If possible, we have to take fruits like apples, banana, you know, other fruits, and which are seasonal, which are found in the market. Some fruits are also available in our own locality, in our own garden, kitchen garden, like guava. Now this is the season of guava. And also, last, few days ago, it was the season of, mangoes. And now banana can be found all the time in our locality. So we can use such kind of, foods to be healthy. And all these things are come under personal health. Am I audible? Are you listening to me?
Okay.
Yes. I'm recording this lesson today. So uh, you have to be also be participating in the class. You also should take participation. Now, how can we care of our body? See, how to care our body. Do you care your
आफ्नो
body?
बडीलाई
Yes.
आफ्नो शरीरलाई स्वस्थ राख्ने
Good. Health is wealth. We say health is wealth. So you should keep your body healthy. Now you can see the pictures. What the boy is doing here.
ब्रुस गरेको यो आर टिथ
Yes, it's the boy is brushing, right? And then next one is what the girl is doing.
हात धोको छ सर
Yes,
साबुन पानीले
she is washing her hands with soap. And then next one, the boy and the girl, yeah, brother and sister.
with head
Okay,
टिस्टाले पानी खाएको छ दिदीले पानी खाएको छ अनि भाइले नुहाउँदै बसेको छ
no, both are taking bath. They are bathing. Both are taking bath. Okay, boys also as well as girl. Perhaps his sister or mother, no doubt. Okay, now three pictures: brushing, washing, and bathing. These all things come under personal health, and also it is called personal hygiene. So if you have to uh, care your body, what should you do? Then you have to clean your teeth. You have to brush your teeth. You have to wash your hands. You have to take bath regularly, and you should not eat uh, tobacco, alcohol, or drink alcohol, and use drugs and harmful junk foods as well. And if you do this, and then you certainly will be healthy, and you will be the good, healthy citizen of the country, and you can earn a lot of money as well as uh, name and fame in the future. And sick people cannot do anything. Now, how can we care our body? Caring body is being healthy. To be healthy, we should care our body. You know, you can read here now. Uh, I I know I play the audio here. You listen uh, how uh, we can care of our body. Please.
Care of body
Okay,
refers to
listen very
taking
carefully.
care of one's body. It is necessary during the stages of growth and development in which we can see many physical changes in our body, to follow the safety measures during the accidents and performing our daily duties and responsibilities. If we take care of our body properly, all the systems in our body can carry out their respective functions well, and we can be free from any kind of diseases.
Okay. Now, care of body refers to taking care of one's body. Care of body refers, or it is taking care of one's body. If we care our body, it is care of body. It is very necessary during the stage of growth and development, and then in which we can see many physical changes in our body. To follow the safety measures during the accidents and performing our daily duties and responsibility. And this is the age in which you are running, is the age of growth and development, and many physical changes can be appear in your body. So you should not afraid of it. You should not uh, uh, you know hide. You should not hide your you know problems. You have to ask, if you find any problems, you can ask your father or a mother. So physical changes are natural. So during that time, safety measures are very important. If we take care of our body properly, all the systems in our body can carry out their respective functions well, and we can be free from any kind of disease. If we are uh, you know conscious about our health, then our whole body system can function well. And if our body parts function well, then we will be healthy. This is the very important part of our life. Now, why should we be healthy? Why should we care of our body? Reasons for keeping healthy body. Now, who will read these lines? Reading reasons for keeping. Anyone voluntarily, please read this line. I want to say, Angela Bika, please, you read the lines. Reasons for keeping healthy body. Why should we keep our body healthy? These are the reasons. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
To live a long and healthy life, to be action and smart,
Yes.
to live a happy, joyful, and successful life, to prevent disease.
Okay, you have to read very carefully. Now, why should we be healthy? The reasons for keeping our body healthy is that to live a long and healthy life. Do you want to live long life? All
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Do you live?
Yes.
Do you like to live healthy?
Yes.
Yes, you also like. I also like to be healthy and like to be healthy. I like to the healthy life. Like to live, healthy life and also live long. And do you like to be active and smart? Yes.
Yes.
Everybody in this world likes to be active and smart. So uh, we do different, things for our health. And do you like to be healthy? Sorry, happy, joyful, and then uh,
Successful.
successful life? Do you like such life? Healthy, happy, joyful, and successful life?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You also like to live a happy, joyful, and a successful life. And
Sir,
yes,
prevent burning का क्या हो रहा है, sir?
okay, I'm coming to that point. Don't worry. Uh, it to prevent disease. Prevent means stop. To stop diseases, you will be free from diseases. You will lead disease-free life. And then what should we do for these things? We have to be healthy. If you are healthy, you can live long. If you are healthy, you will have healthy
Yes.
life. If you are healthy, you will be active life, smart life. And if you are healthy, then you will be happy and you will have joyful and successful life. In the same way, if you want to stop diseases, different diseases like, nowadays, corona, virus, diseases, or you can say, pandemic situation we are in. So to avoid such kind of, uh, communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases, we have to be healthy. Now, what should we do to maintain our good health? Who can read? Now you tell me, you read the lines, please. Now I nominate you. Who will read the lines? Okay. Durga Min. Durga Min. Who is Durga Min? DM.
Sir, Durma mean ho.
Durga Min la. Okay. You read the
Durma
song.
भनेको अर्कै अनि मिन भनेको अर्कै.
Okay. Durga. Only Durga. Read the lines. Okay. Durga, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now you read the lines.
We should focus on personal cleanliness. We should have.
Cleanliness. Yes.
We
Go on.
अच्छे ने बुझेको छैन सर.
Or,
We should have nutrition.
okay. We should have
Nutrition.
nutritious.
Food like grass, fish, meat, milk, eggs, vegetables, and
regularly.
Okay. Stop. I read myself for you. Yes, the letters are not visible for you because you are from mobile. So in the mobile, the display will be very smaller. Then it will be very difficult to see the letters. Now, I read myself for you. Some measures to maintain good health. We should focus on personal cleanliness. That it is very, necessary to be focus on our personal, hygiene. And another is we should have nutritious food. That food containing, grains, peas, meat, milk, eggs, green vegetables, and seasonal fruits. You know, these foods, we should take, regularly and properly, and it is also called, balanced diet. And if you have, this food in a proper, measure, or you can say, you can, maintain such foods, for your and food, then you will be healthy. And another is that we should do adequate exercise, physical exercise, or play games. Adequate means a lot of. You have to do a lot of physical exercises, or you have to play games as well. Football, cricket, running, jumping. These are the games that you
Sir,
can.
volleyball.
Yes, volleyball also you can play, and then or
Cricket.
running also you can do, and yoga and meditation also you can do. These, physical exercises will help you to be healthy. And another is that all doses of vaccination should be taken timely within the year after one's birth. Perhaps all of you have taken all kind of vaccination, when you were younger, when you are child, your fathers and mothers perhaps, have taken to the health post to give you, vaccination. That is to say, all, and we have to take vaccines, hope, different kinds of, vaccines when we were small. Everybody should be taken. Okay, now another is that addiction of tobacco, wine, drugs, as well as harmful substances should be avoided. You should never take tobacco, drink wine, and take, drugs. And you should also not take harmful substances like, junk food, you know, noodles, biscuits, and then, the harmful, juice as well. That, and you always use, uh, ice cream or like that, and these are also harmful to your health. If you can do, these things properly, regularly, then you will be certainly, healthy. That's why I request you to be healthy and to lead a healthy life, and also request you to maintain your personal health. Okay, now you should be very healthy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now this is, perhaps time is, going to be over. I know we don't have, more than 2 minutes, and I want to wrap up the class. And tomorrow, I will teach you how to keep our eyes, and care of eyes, nose, and ears. These, parts we topic we will study, and you read this, this lesson well, and rewrite it in good handwriting. This part, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Rewrite,
sir.
rewrite this, part, lesson, part of this lesson in very good handwriting, and you take photograph, and then you upload in the group. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for joining us and taking your online class. Uh, Thanks for your passion, and this is time to say goodbye. Can we say goodbye now?
Bye.
Okay, goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.